talking about the sorting in the Excel. Sorting means the arrangement with the column. Okay, column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4. So I have to arrange, this is the arrange in the alpha, sorry, this is the number wise, and this is the for the ascending order. Suppose I want to the descending order, so go to the data from here, the sorting. Okay, choose the here value, which value I am date, and this is the smallest to largest. I want to the largest to smallest. Now see, it is changing to arrange as the largest to smallest, 31, 30, like this. Okay, so all column affected. Again I want to the changes. See the here day name, so it is the Z to A or A to Z. I want to the A to Z. See here, this is the arranged, all arranged. Then Friday, this one, like this one, alphabetical. Okay, so this is the sorting. Okay, now I want to the in previous mode. See here the date and how smallest to largest. See here the smallest large, this is the adjust. Okay, so this is for the arranging with the sorting means the arrange the column wise, the numeric or alphabetical. Okay, this is the ascending and descending all.